As a protector, I've seen the importance of soft skills, hard skills, medical training, et cetera, et cetera. It's better to be a generalist in all these areas, or is it perhaps better to specialize in one? Is the team better off with all agents having a basic knowledge of everything, or is a team that has an EMT specialist, a cyber specialist, an auto specialist, et cetera, be a better choice?
I think you should have your core competencies down. You should have your core hard skills established. You know how to use the tool of violence. You also understand how to save life. And those things should be established, and you should always be working on increasing your baseline within those realms. But once you have those things to a very competent level, then I believe having one specialty is awesome. So like we have a guy who does OSINT on the D. We have like a few guys that just specifically focus on that. But those guys still do our quarterly calls with us, still go to all the training with us. They still can, plug wounds. They're still EMTs and shooters. And so I think the right answer with that is, just like we're building a fire team of Marines, if I can take it back for a minute, it's everyone has these core competencies in terms of what they can bring to bear in the fight. And then we have a machine gunner, and we have a demo guy, and we have, a guy that does different, occupational skills.
Does all the podcasts that you do make you better at social dynamics and give you a better perspective of other agents?
I believe the podcast for sure help with the social dynamics, but I think the real beauty of the podcasts, man, is like I get to learn, man. I get to sit there and soak up stuff from these guys. I get to crystallize amazing experiences and the things that folks that have done more than me in the industry are doing. The EPL, Executive Protection Lifestyle podcast and YouTube channel is the largest body of free video, real-world content in the EP game. Like it's hundreds of videos there, all about executive protection. From not just like I'm not that cool. I don't even think I've done a podcast just me in a while, but listening to these people talk about what they've done and interviewing people that are new to the game and what it's like coming in. It does help social dynamics, but I think the real beauty of it is really getting to learn from so many different angles and corners of our industry, because when else other than something like this are we able to really have these experiences with one another,
The Executive Protection Forum. Join the conversation of the executive protection industry. Get your tickets now while supplies last. We are capping off this event so everyone can get into our conversation with protectors at the top of the game. I look forward to seeing you there.